If you have been to Bubbles, you must have tried Gina's famous fruit smoothie. The secret ingredient beside the fresh fruit, we also use milk kefir. The benefit of kefir or kefir is far greater than yogurt. They have got more probiotic strength than normal yogurt. You can learn more by checking the link provided in the description below. Here at Bubbles, we ferment the kefir milk ourselves. Today we're going to show you how we do it. Today we have Gina here. She's going to show us how to make milk kefir. Okay. Hi Gina. Hello. Hello. Okay. We have milk, empty container, and kefir milk that has been fermented for more than 12 hours. And we're going to harvest the grain from it. Spare container, strainer. Please use plastic strainer, and don't use a metal spoon. So we use a soup, the Chinese soup spoon here. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is to harvest our kefir milk grain. So first, Gina is going to strain the milk. So when it's ready, it's curdled like that. Okay. And there are layers. Okay, now you can slowly see the kefir grain. They look like a cauliflower floret. So these are the guys that you want to collect to ferment your next batch of milk. A lot of the grains are being filtered out. Okay. Okay, now all the kefir milk is strained. We have this beautiful creamy yogurt or kefir milk. Now with the grain that we have collected, we're gonna ferment the next batch of kefir milk or kefir milk. Right? Put the grain in. You can reduce this is actually quite a lot of grain in there. The more grains you use, the more sour it will be. And then you put the room temperature milk in it. Okay, don't pour it too full because you need to have a little bit of a space for it to breathe. And then you cover it up with a cloth. Yep. You use a rubber band. And then we're gonna put it on the shelf in the normal room temperature to ferment for 8 to 12 hours. So tomorrow morning we have a fresh batch of milk kefir, and the new batch is being put in our storeroom with a normal room temperature to ferment overnight. 8 to 12 hours. This will be done for cultivating. And now you can make your own smoothie at home. Enjoy your milk kefir. Bye!